In this video, I'm going to help you set up simple mail transfer protocol for free using your Gmail account so you can successfully receive and automatically reply back to your email messages on your contact form. Enjoy! Log into your WordPress dashboard. We need to install wpmailsmtp plugin. Come to plugins, add new plugin. Search for wpmailsmtp. And here it is, wpmailsmtp by WP Forms. Install now. Activate. Now on the menu, scroll down, here is where wpmailsmtp is, and click on Settings. This is where we are going to provide our free Gmail email address. But before we can do that, we need to create free web application. Come to the website console.cloud.google.com and make sure you are logged in to your free Gmail account. And on the top next to Google Cloud, select New Project on the right. Name it. I'm going to name it Random Project. Location, no organization, just click on Create. Wait for it to do its work and then click on Select Project. Select your random project. We need to click on APIs and Services. You need to click on Library, then search for Gmail API. Select it and click on Gmail API. We need to enable it. And we need to create our client ID and client secret. Click on Create Credentials. Gmail API. Which data? User data, because you are using your Google Gmail account. And click on Next. Under application name, I'm just going to put random name, random app. Your support email is going to be a free Gmail account. You can put application logo if you are running some kind of business, but if you're just an individual, just leave it as it is. Your developer contact information, also your free Gmail email address. Save and continue. Scopes optional, just skip through it, scroll down, save and continue. 0 auth client ID, application type, make sure to choose web application. Leave web client 1 generated as it is and skip through JavaScript. We need to add wpmailsmtp URI. You need to connect your free Gmail address to WordPress mail simple mail transfer protocol by typing this URL https://connect.wpmailsmtp.com/google/ and click on Create. And here is your client ID, but we also need our client secret. Just click Done. We have one more step to do before we can grab our credentials. Click on 0 auth consent screen on the menu, and as you can see, web application is in testing. We need to publish it and we need to make it external. It is automatically external, but if it is maybe automatically internal, you need to make it external. So click on Publish App, push to production and confirm. Once done, we can now grab our credentials. Click on Credentials on the menu. Under your web client 1 name, scroll all the way to the right, click on the pencil so you can grab both client ID and client secret. Here is our client ID and here is our client secret. We're going to first copy client ID, right click copy, come back to WordPress mail SMTP settings, scroll all the way down and paste your client ID. Do the same for client secret. Highlight, right click copy, paste it. Now come back here, up. You're going to use from email your free Gmail. Just choose your own free email. I'm going to put my free Gmail address. Turn on force from email, so your email address is used for all outgoing emails. From name, Just put your own website name or your own personal name. You can also forward from name, so your name is used for all emails. Under mailer, you need to select Google/Gmail because it is going to be free. And as you can see, here is our authorized redirect URI for wpmailsmtp, which I told you need to paste when setting up web application. Just scroll all the way down and save settings. And now we just need to authorize it by connecting our free Gmail account to wpmailsmtp. Scroll down again and click on allow plugin to send emails using your Google Gmail account. Connect with a free Gmail account. This message is going to pop up that Google hasn't verified your application. It is in Croatian, my native language, but you need to click on advanced. It's going to be here on the bottom left. Click on advanced and all the way to the bottom, click on open wpmailsmtp.com. It says that it is not safe, but it is safe. Don't worry. wpmailsmtp is looking to access your free Gmail account. Scroll down and click on continue. You have successfully linked the current website with your Google API project. You can now start sending emails through Gmail. Now let's test send an email. On wpmailsmtp, come to tools so we can test message. You need to send to your provided free Gmail address. Just put it over here. Send this email in HTML or in plain. Click on send email. And success. It was sent successfully. Now we are going to check our Gmail inbox to make sure the message was delivered. Log into your Gmail account. And as you can see, here is the test message. Congrats, the test email was sent successfully. Thank you for trying wpmailsmtp. And now if you want to test it using your own free professional contact form, come to your website homepage, wherever you have created your free professional contact form. If you missed that video on how to create your own custom free professional contact form using professional widgets for free, so you don't need to pay anything on a monthly basis, just click on the link down below to check out that video. Now we are going to test message through our contact form. Random first and last name, Jack Smith. I'm going to put a valid email address, my second Gmail address, so I can see also auto reply back message if it is working also. Where did you hear about us? On Google message. This is just a test message to check out if automated reply back messages are working. Click on I'm not a robot. This is also reCAPTCHA. I also have that video on how to create reCAPTCHA for free. Check also that video by clicking on the link down below. And click on send. Man, your submission was successful. Now you need to check your email inbox. Now let's check out my automated reply back message. This is a received message from sender. And let's see if my automated reply back message is also working. I'm going to log in to that Gmail account, and here it is. I have set up subject line, your query is received, and for the message, hello Jack, I have received your message and will get back to you ASAP. Appreciate your patience. If you don't know how to set up HTML email messages, I have also that video on my YouTube channel, so check it out in the link in the description. I will provide everything in the link down below. Thank you for watching this video until the end. My name is Tom, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to keep supporting my channel.